milk and toast, some coffee. Take the stuffiness out of days you hate. You really hate. Slow morning news pass me by. I try not to analyze, but didn't he blow my mind this time? Didn't he blow my mind? Here he comes.